How to stop important emails received and found in the junk mail folder and not the inbox. So let's see what to do to receive those emails in the inbox. Go to the junk mail folder first. To stop it from going to junk mail folder, we need to select the email, and next, right-click on the email. And in this menu, we need to select Report tab. And again select Not Junk. Next, in this pop-up, we need to select this checkbox and click the OK button. And done, the emails from this email account will be found to the inbox hereafter. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.